Just like water and oil, some things don't mix. So why do we fret when we want something fixed? But the man upstairs, you know, he always comes through. You see, God's timetable is different than ours. For us, a few minutes can feel like hours. This time creeps along when we're having a really bad day. But He's always there through thick and thin. Miracles occur when chances are slim. Don't be in doubt as you go through the grind. Have faith in the Father and remember the bottom line. Oh, if you're gonna pray, there ain't no need to worry. If you're gonna worry, there ain't no need to pray. It's easy to be discouraged when you're walking in the weeds, 'cause God doesn't always give us what we want, but we always get what we need. If you're gonna pray, there ain't no need to worry. If you're gonna worry, there ain't much need to pray. Don't worry. Teaches, ask and receive. First ask yourself if you truly believe. Right after amen comes the second guessing. Then we miss out on the blessing from the man upstairs who always comes through. Yes, He's always there through thick and thin. Miracles occur when chances are slim. Don't be in doubt as you go through the grind. Have faith in the Father and remember the bottom line. Hey, if you're gonna pray, there ain't no need to worry. If you're gonna worry, there ain't much need to pray. It's easy to be discouraged when we're walking in the weeds, 'cause God doesn't always give us what we want, but we always get what we need. Hey, if you're gonna pray, there ain't no need to worry. If you're gonna worry, there ain't no need to pray. Don't worry.